Hello, I'm Anuja. I've done a program to create a class called person. The data member's name and age and data member functions get data into a data function. I'll explain the program. These are the header files used. Here we have a class called person. In this class we have an array called name of size 20 of character type and another integer called age. In the public sector we have a constructor called person function where the string copy where the value of name is given space and age to 0. In the main function we have the object per for the class person and we have declared an array called people of size 20. Another integer n has also been declared. For the class offstream we created an object f out and using that object we open the file called person details.txt and IO scope resolution binary, which means the file is opened in the binary form and IO is out, that is to write the file. We see the statement enter the number of persons whose details has to be entered, where we enter the number using the variable n. And then we have the next cout statement says enter the n number of person details. And we have a for loop here in which an integer I is declared to 0 and we check if the value of I is less than n. If this condition is satisfied, then the control gets into the loop where get data function is called using the object bar. So the control moves from here to here where we enter the name of the person using the variable name and the age of the person using the variable age. From there the control comes back here fout.write bracket char star ampersand person and the size of person. So the control comes from here and then here it comes here where the name is returned. From there the control comes back here where using the same object we close the file, that is fout.close function. Now we have another class called ifstring which has the object fn and using fn we open the same file in the same mode and I goes out, that is to read. And then we have the statement enter the name of the person whose details you want to know and we enter the people's name. And we have an integer called flag which is initialized to 0 and then we check while. We have a while loop here where we check while fn and then in the while loop we have fn.read char ampersand person size of person. So like before the control goes from here and it comes here and the name is returned, name and other details are returned. We have an if loop here where we compare if loop with string compare in which we compare the name entered to product returning function. We check if it's the same. If it's the same then the flag will be initialized to 1 and we see the cout statement person found and then person dot put data function is called. So the control goes from here and it comes here where we have the cout statement called name and the name is displayed and age is also displayed. From there the control comes back here and then we have another if loop which initialize flag to 0 where we check flags equal to 0 and then we have the cout statement person not found. Now I'll run the program. Enter the number of person whose details has to be entered. Let it be 1. Enter the name of the person, let it be Luke. Enter the age of the person, 12. Enter the name of the person whose details you want to know, Luke again. And then we have the information of Luke, that is name Luke, age and 12. Hence we conclude the program is successful. Thank you for watching.